Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with MailerLite affiliate program step by step clearly. Visit the MailerLite website. Click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the affiliate section in the menu. Click on affiliate to access the affiliate program details. Here, you will see an option to join the affiliate program if you haven't already. Fill out the application form with your details. Make sure to provide accurate information, including your website or blog URL. Submit the application for review. Wait for the confirmation email that will inform you of your approval status. Once approved, return to the affiliate section of the dashboard. You will find your unique referral link displayed on this page. Copy your unique referral link for sharing. Share your link through your website, email, or social media platforms. Track your referrals and earnings via the affiliate dashboard. Utilize promotional materials provided by MailerLite to enhance your outreach efforts. Engage with your audience to encourage them to sign up through your link. Continuously monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.